Tá go hála na bheitsa. A nacht I bhfuair measc agus smór an privéid a bheitsa chuma agus nach all in rud gur go bhfuil míad abal a bheitsa le chéile chun our cultúr a chiúra. It's beautiful to be here, and it's a lovely thing that we can be here together to celebrate our culture with such amazing musicians and singers from all around the country as well. So I'm going to start off with a song that I learned from the singing of my father Seamus. And it's one of my favourite songs, and it's called Cailín, which means the fair-haired girl. And it's a love song, and at the end of each verse you'll hear the words "She gra mo chrí, she perla an dain," which means she's the love of my heart, she's the pearl of the world. Maroon ma Cailín bán, so my secret love, my Cailín bán. Da Cailín og she kush maronas machram sni lais gam ach lais on vash mar feder lam igal is boar bronach atam she gra mo chrí, she perlan dain, maroon ma Cailín bán. Da súil is gelle non grian, a sail shuin to spare. Sister gagrua non fian emni galagle Tobial nis milche non vel sa Cailín min islan she gra mo chrí, she perlan dain, maroon ma Cailín bán. Da skan gelne vegam gra ardanga vilishin Sispin alamsa ganamna no kyolda bin nanyan Begeishtach lena kanujra shachaen blian islo she gra mo chrí, she perlan dain, maroon ma Cailín bán. Míle maith. Míle maith. So we'll continue on with some jigs, and I had the honor of being asked to contribute some compositions to the Seher project of ITMA last year. And these are 3 jigs that I submitted. And the first one is called Cailín because of the fact that I love that song, and also the Cailín means the fair-haired girl, and it's also written for my gorgeous little golden retriever. She's my little Cailín Bond. So, and her name is Sammy. So, and then the second tune is a jig composed for my grandparents on my mother's side. So, Morris and Dora Keane, who lived in Cremore Road in Glasnevin. So it's called Cremore Road, and some of the cousins are here. Hello. And then the last one is a tune that I wrote for my brothers, Brandon, Owen and Neil. You're going to meet them in a small while. And it's more about a story when we were children. It'd be too long to get into, but it does involve children and the stealing of a tin of biscuits. And so therefore it's called Beimid ithe, which means let's eat. So. Feel free to yup and yo and who or whatever if you feel so inclined.